do you think about companies, oil companies that cooperate with Putin? We like them, we hate them, we out them. What do we do?
Well, the resources in the world are laid down in first world countries and developing countries, democracies, countries that have imperfect systems of government. And we try to respect the host governments wherever we work. This is a tragic situation we see unfolding in Russia. I know a number of other companies have had to take very difficult decisions. We have very little exposure to Russia as a company. But these are very difficult decisions to be made in a circumstance like this.
And what's it all going to mean for oil prices?
Well, in the short term, I think the anxieties about supply have continued to keep this pressure on prices. We don't actually see signs that there are physical supply shortages appearing yet, but inventories were low coming into this. Prices were rising coming into this, and the fact that geopolitical risk now shows up in a risk premium in oil markets tells you we're in a pretty tight market once again, as opposed to a few years ago when missiles flew into Saudi Arabia and the price really didn't respond. And so it's a tight market. I think we're going to continue to see that until the situation in Ukraine stabilizes and is ultimately, hopefully, resolved with as little loss of life as possible.
Yeah.